Sharing with you the January 1957 edition of Household Magazine. Hello and welcome. I'm Akram Birth, and you're watching Akram's Ideas, bringing creative and crazy ideas to life. In this episode of Akram's Ideas, I thought I'd share with you another vintage magazine flip through. And this time I would be sharing with you the January 1957 edition of Household Magazine. To see more episodes like this, be sure to click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos. So, given its name, Household Magazine, it's got a lot more home-related articles in this magazine. I would say it's more along the lines of like This Old Health magazine, but at the same time it's still got some everyday articles and also several recipes in here. It is an interesting magazine to look through, and again it just gives us some insight as to what people were reading and some of the interests, and especially some of the things that they were eating in 1957. So without further ado, let's take a look at Household Magazine, January 1957. There you have a look through our Household January 1957 edition magazine. I hope you've enjoyed this a little flip through of the magazine, and if you want to see more vintage magazine flip throughs, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. I've got a lot of other vintage magazines and I plan to try to toss one out there a month just to give you an insight into some of these magazines and what, again, people were reading and were into in those time periods. And I'd love to know in the comments below what you thought about the magazine, especially about all those hot dog recipes. Those are quite interesting. People must have eaten a lot of hot dogs in the 50s and 60s, or at least cooked with a lot of hot dogs. It's interesting anyways. I hope you've enjoyed this episode, and as always, thanks for watching.
Hello, oh, I don't have my mic. In this episode of Akram Let me do that one more time. I've got a lot of other So, if you didn't catch it, you have the Frank kidney bean bake. That does not sound appetizing.